Good afternoon, everyone. This is Romona from Social Media How To's with Romona. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use AI and Canva together. How can I use AI such as Bard, ChatGPT, and Canva together in my marketing, you ask? Let me show you how. As I've mentioned before, I love to write. I've written for marketing magazines. I've written my own blogs on my website and for Constant Contact. I've always written my own email content, but I purposely let Bard write an email for me for my AI info and Q&A session that I held last month. I even let Bard write a subject line for me. I used ChatGPT's dall-e to generate the image I used in my email. I even used Bard to write the content for the PowerPoint I used during the AI info session. I then used Canva to resize the ChatGPT dall-e image and to add my Google Partner badge to the image. Just a quick note, Canva does have its own images and some of its own AI features, but I wanted to use dall-e for the purposes of this video. And regarding their AI features, I haven't been that impressed with the ones that I've used so far. I hear that they have a bunch of great AI features, but I just haven't taken the time to really find out which ones I can use and which ones will work best for me yet. P.S. I did let all of the attendees know that all of the content was created using AI, just so that they could see how powerful ChatGPT, Bard, and Canva really are. With that being said, these are just a few ways you can use ChatGPT, Bard, and Canva together when marketing your small business. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that you'll receive notifications each time I post a new video. And with that, I want to say, have an amazing day.